There are several ways you can create string in Python. So let me delete this first, and then we can try a few way to create string. So this is the first one. I use the double quote here, and then you can use like, let's say, name2, and then you put a single quote here, and then I put Ayman also can. So we have two way here. So if the string requires a single quote in the text, so you can put, let's say, very old. So let's say I want to use the single quote in the string, so we can start it with the double quote. But if you want to use the double quote inside the string, and then you can start with single quote. So here's a on. So this is a valid string. And then what if the string you want to create has a lot of character like single and double? So you can use like this one, name3 is equal to, and then you put triple double quote here, triple double quote here. So in between this triple double quote, you can put anything, and then you can use double quote, single quote, double quote, and so on. So this is the how Python can create a string.